Take a ride in the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.